Jay Ford, Front2Back Custom. I'm here with Miss Del Pietro in Westlake area, and I just made another video about how this pole had ASR and we fiberglassed it, and I just wanted to have her do a testimonial to let you guys know what it was like with her working with me and what the final product looked like.
Well, the pole turned out great. We're really excited about it. It's nice to be able to use it again, and working with John and his team, it was seamless. It was really easy, and you kept us on task and you got it done quickly, so we were able to use it, I think, in a few weeks time. It was great, so highly recommend. So thanks, John.
Thank you. Thank you.